Okay, I got my ugly old Ruger 1022 and I got a BSA scope on it, and it's got the drum magazine, 10 round magazine. I'm just gonna have some fun plinking with it, and I'll be shooting that steel target down there. Hold on. What I'll do is I'll first take a video of me in frame shooting it, and then I'll zoom in and shoot at it from outside of frame. All day long. That's it. All right, let me reset and zoom in. Okay, I'll be shooting from behind the camera. I'd say about 10 yards. Nope, not anything spectacular. That's it. Yeah, this target's held up pretty good. Taurus PT 1911 45. I'm gonna shoot just the two left targets. They're thicker steel. Probably gonna do it here. Let me back it up a little bit, maybe 7 yards. See if I can get the target in frame and me in frame. All right, PT 1911. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Target went bye-bye. Works good, lasts a long time. It's all clean now after the shoot, and these are factory rounds that I shot in that video, and I just wanted to note that even with factory rounds, these aren't reloads, that the discoloration is still there a little bit there. Kind of hard to see, so I'll let it focus in here. But you can see this one in particular, it's got some discoloration to it. Not much, not as much as the other ones had, my reloads had. These weren't that much hotter from what I can remember, but it does have that discoloration on the one side. And this one too has a little bit of the discoloration. Come on, focus. Focus. There. It's hard to tell because I can't see. There, that one has a little discoloration. This one, more of a heat discoloration than a powder burn. So, but I was shooting out there with another guy who was a competition shooter, and he says, yeah, he sees that a lot with 45s. Nothing really to worry about. There's a little bit of a discoloration just on the tip there. But just on one side of the casing. It shot fine. I don't think I had a failure to feed, or I went through, I'd say about 50 rounds out there, maybe 60 or 70 rounds out there, and didn't have any stovepipes, didn't have any failures to feed, didn't have misfires or anything. Did I say misfires? But it functioned flawlessly as far as I could tell. This is a good gun. So, and I know it's a pretty decent price for what it is. I have the Taurus Model 66 or something like that, Model 6 It's a Smith & Wesson clone revolver, and that Taurus has been good. As with anything, you get lemons and you get diamonds, and apparently this one's a diamond. So it worked good. Well, not so fast. I thought these dents were just from me throwing into my range bag, but it seems to be pretty uniform. Got one there. That one, you can barely tell. See right there? Yep. This one, I saw a dent. Yeah, you can barely make out the dent in that one. And then this one, dent there. But like I said, there was no failure to feed or anything on any of these rounds. They all fired, obviously. They're empty casings. But for some reason they got that one dent there. I don't think it's going to be a problem reloading them. Just, I don't know if anybody ever seen markings like that before on their casings. They're pretty consistent. I mean, the extractor's back here, so I don't know what could be causing it. Yeah, when it extracts, the only thing I can think of it hitting. Yeah, that's weird. And I'm going to take some stills and put them at the end of this video. Anybody knows what those weird dents are, let me know. Thanks. Bye.